Hey coffee lovers! Hot beverage, welcome back to your channel name, your go-to spot for reviews, tips and recommendations to level up your coffee game. Today we're diving into the top 5 best espresso machines of 2025. From sleek designs to barista-level performance, we've got something for every coffee enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner looking to craft your first latte or a seasoned espresso aficionado, these machines are guaranteed to take your home brewing to the next level. So, sit back, grab your favorite brew and let's find the perfect machine to fuel your caffeine cravings. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome coffee content. Let's get started. Number 5, Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus is a compact espresso machine that delivers professional-grade results without taking up much counter space. From its sleek stainless steel finish to its intuitive controls, this machine is perfect for coffee lovers who value convenience and quality. One of its standout features is the automatic microfoam milk frother, which lets you create cafe-style lattes and cappuccinos with ease. It heats up in just 3 seconds so you can have your morning espresso ready in record time. The Bambino Plus strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and performance, making it a fantastic option for both beginners and seasoned coffee enthusiasts. After testing it extensively, I give the Breville Bambino Plus a solid 5 out of 5. The consistent shot quality and customizable settings impressed me the most. Whether you're pulling a single shot or experimenting with latte art, this machine doesn't disappoint. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, and the included accessories like the tamper and milk jug add great value. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and stylish espresso machine, the Breville Bambino Plus is a top-notch choice. Number 4, Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts who crave cafe-quality drinks at home. From its sleek stainless steel design to its intuitive LCD interface, this machine is as stylish as it is functional. The integrated grinder offers precision with dose control, ensuring you get the perfect amount of coffee every time. Pair that with its thermojet heating system and you can pull a shot in mere seconds. No waiting around. Whether you're a fan of bold espressos or silky cappuccinos, the steam wand allows you to achieve professional quality microfoam with ease. What sets the Barista Pro apart is how it strikes a perfect balance between advanced features and user-friendliness. It's ideal for both beginners and seasoned baristas. The custom grind size and extraction time settings give you full control over your brew, letting you experiment and refine your technique. Cleanup is hassle-free, thanks to its smart design. With a 5 out of 5 rating, I can confidently say this machine is worth every penny. If you're serious about your coffee, this could be the ultimate addition to your kitchen. Number 3, DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine is a game-changer for coffee lovers seeking cafe-quality beverages at home. From its sleek design to its intuitive controls, this machine is built to impress. The Magnifica Start offers the convenience of a fully automatic system with a built-in grinder, ensuring your coffee is always fresh and flavorful. Whether you're craving a silky latte or a bold espresso shot, the adjustable settings let you customize every cup to your liking. The milk frother is a standout feature, delivering perfectly textured foam that elevates your drinks to barista standards. Cleanup is surprisingly effortless, making it perfect for busy mornings or lazy weekends. What sets the Magnifica Start apart is its remarkable consistency and value for money. At this price point, it's rare to find a machine that performs as reliably as this one. It heats up quickly, delivers rich, aromatic coffee, and maintains a user-friendly interface even for beginners. The durable build quality means you're investing in a machine that will last. Overall, I give the DeLonghi Magnifica Start a solid 5 out of 5 for its performance, ease of use, and versatility. If you're in the market for an espresso machine that can do it all without breaking the bank, this is the one to beat. Number 2, Capresso Cafe TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine. The Capresso Cafe TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine is a sleek, modern addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Its standout feature is the intuitive touchscreen interface, which makes brewing espresso and frothing milk a seamless experience. With just a few taps, you can customize your drink to your preferred strength and temperature, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned baristas. The stainless steel finish not only gives it a premium look but also ensures durability. In my tests, the machine delivered consistently rich, velvety espresso shots with a beautiful crema every single time. The built-in milk frother is equally impressive, producing perfectly textured foam for cappuccinos and lattes. What sets the Cafe TS apart is its user-friendly design combined with professional-grade performance. The compact size fits easily on any countertop without compromising functionality, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to its removable components. Whether you're in a rush or enjoying a leisurely morning, this machine caters to your needs effortlessly. While some espresso machines in this price range can be finicky, the Cafe TS excels in reliability and ease of use. If you're in the market for a high-quality espresso machine with a modern touch, the Capresso Cafe TS is worth every penny. This is why I'm giving it a solid 5. Number 1. Cafe Effetto Automatic Espresso Machine and Frother. The Cafe Effetto Automatic Espresso Machine and Frother is a sleek, high-performance addition to any coffee enthusiast's kitchen. Its minimalist design and intuitive controls make it perfect for beginners and seasoned baristas alike. With just a push of a button, this machine delivers cafe-quality espresso, lattes and cappuccinos, ensuring consistent results every time. The built-in frother produces creamy, velvety milk foam, elevating your morning cup to a professional-grade experience. Its compact size doesn't compromise on quality, making it an excellent choice for small spaces without sacrificing functionality. What truly sets the Cafe Effetto apart is its combination of efficiency, quality, and ease of use. The machine heats up quickly, so you're never waiting long for your coffee fix. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its removable parts, ensuring maintenance doesn't feel like a chore. Its customizable settings allow you to adjust strength and froth levels to your preference, giving you complete control over your brew. For a machine in its price range, the build quality and features are unmatched. Whether you're a latte lover or an espresso purist, the Cafe Effetto is an investment that delivers exceptional value and flavor. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.